everyone, welcome back. In this class we are going to create a program to show the frequency of each letter in the string. Let us open Python. Let us start the program with the command line to display the frequency of each character of the string. It means, for example, we will take a word called program. Here P is available one time, R is two time, O one time, G one time, R is already counted. So it will not repeat and say. A is one time and then M is one time. So let us check how to do this program. It will be easy for us to have a dictionary to count the characters. The character will be the key and the count can be the value for that. So for that purpose we will create one empty dictionary. I say CHCNT, so character count is equal to empty dictionary. Wherever occurrence of the letter is available, then we can increase the count of that character. Otherwise it will create a new character key and then value as 1. That will be the easiest method to do. We will take the input from the user. St is equal to input of enter the string. So I need to traverse this string now. For that purpose I will be using for loop as usual for char in st. So char is going to be each character when it traverses. First I will check whether the character is already there in the dictionary. If it is there, I will just increase the value of the character by 1. So for that purpose, if char in the dictionary name, that is chcnt, then I am going to increase the value of the character. Here the character is key. So the key I will be giving, that is chcnt. In this square bracket I am giving the key. So where I will be increasing the value by 1. If it is not there, that is else, I am going to make that as new key with its value as 1. chcnt of char equal to 1. So it is so simple. When the key is not available, it will take as 1. When the key is already there in the dictionary, then it will update the value. So that is plus 1. So finally, how to print that? Now the dictionary is ready for us. Now let us print it. So for printing the dictionary, again we will take one more loop for k comma v. So key and value I give in chcnt dot items. So I will print k and the count, that is v. Something we need to bifurcate between this, we can write. I may need a dash, so I put it in the quote, comma. So let us run this program. Let me write program only. So P one time, R two time, O one time, G one time, A one time, M one time. Here it will count uppercase separately, lowercase separately. In case we need to count only once, whether it is uppercase or lowercase, then we can change the input itself as uppercase or lowercase. Let us convert that into uppercase dot upper of. So now let us check. Let me give syllabus. See there, S is 2 times, L is 2 times. Other than that, everything is 1 time. If there is a space, that also will be counted as one character. If you don't want to count the space, we can also have one more condition here. So it becomes a nested condition. If char is not equal to space. So then only it will count, otherwise it will not count. So that we will put the other codes inside this condition. Let us run this. I am going to publish this video at 7 o'clock. See there, even symbol is there, that also will be counted. Space will not be counted. You could see that apostrophe is there, one time it is counted. Digit also got counted. Hope this was very clear to you. We will start doing list programs from next class onwards. Hope this was very clear to you. Keep watching my channel. Keep learning. Let us meet in the next class. Thank you.